The future is here. The future is now. On the 34-inch Samsung Odyssey G8 OLED. Hi friends and welcome to Victor's Reality. From the amazing design of the monitor's body, to the outstanding QD OLED colors, and those amazing peak highlights, truly make this the best QD OLED monitor on the market today. Today I bring you my first impressions and unboxing on this amazing monitor, to showcase this beautiful display technology. Finally, welcome to the Samsung Odyssey 34-inch G8 OLED. I'm sure you know as well as I do, sometimes there's technology that really wows you, that takes you by surprise, that really makes you feel what you're actually seeing on screen. I always try to help you make that awesome buying decision, and I want you to feel what I'm feeling. This is truly a special monitor. Everything screams high quality. And when a monitor can actually make me feel so excited, so awesome, that what I'm seeing truly is unbelievable, that's an experience I want you to feel also. And I would go as to say, from the 4K 60Hz signal acceptance for next generation consoles, and the awesome design of the body of this specific monitor, to the awesome smart TV features, this is truly the best QD OLED monitor on the market today, and especially versus all the monitors that I currently own. Everything was packaged securely, though not enough padding for something so premium, and that's something that I think Samsung has to improve. The packaging needs to be thicker and more protection, especially for QD OLED. The monitor does come with a wall mount adapter, so no worries there. It also comes with this awesome remote control, where you can control the menu and get to your favorite streaming apps as fast as possible. Now, one thing to say is this stand. It's something different versus other monitors. It's really sleek and stealth looking, and on the back of the monitor, it actually looks like a UFO. I love that circular design, and those LEDs, forget about it. It's a next generation monitor body, if you know what I'm saying. And I would easily say, this is the best looking monitor from all the monitors out there on the market today. And just to show, even in 2023, my monitor was made in April, so just recently. And it says here version number FB02. So it seems that they're still making this specific panel, even in 2023. No news on V2 yet, but of course you know friends, I'll bring that to you as soon as it breaks. Remember friends, this does not use standard ports. Everything here is mini or micro. So please be aware and buy the correct cable, as this monitor only comes with the mini DisplayPort. You're gonna have to buy the micro HDMI separately. This monitor is exactly like a TV friends. When you hook it up and you turn it on, you have to set it up just like your Samsung TV. So if you hold the home menu, it brings you into this menu. I'm just gonna run by it so you can see what we're looking at, so you can know what to expect. Samsung automatically updates your monitor's firmware or software when you turn off your monitor. That's a mistake I did. When I got this monitor and turned it on, it was at 1454. And when I turned off the monitor and went back in, it updated to 1504. And what I have noticed is that this specific update has disabled the peak brightness option. In SDR mode, I can no longer control it. It's all grayed out. I don't necessarily notice the picture any dimmer, but with my new light meter, I'm gonna take Arting's numbers and compare it to mine. So look for that in a future video. I really hope this new firmware didn't degrade the overall picture quality. It's something that I had to bring to your attention, friends. Things like this happen, especially with Samsung. So it's fresh out of the box into that new firmware. But so far, everything was straightforward, from the auto motion and game mode for your next generation consoles to your streaming apps. It does have auto motion or game motion. It does work, and it works awesome. But one thing that has really stood out, as you can see here, look how awesome and amazing this monitor looks. It truly screams next gen. I have not seen another monitor this bright, this beautiful. It truly looks amazing. And depending on how you have this monitor placed, you're going to be able to enjoy every single thing QD OLED technology brings with the amazing design of Samsung. Jumping right into Xbox Series X gameplay, you can see on this 34-inch monitor a 16:9" image. You will get black bars on the left and right. Now I haven't tried to do anything else with the controller or with the picture, like zooming in or anything like that. Just hooked up the Xbox and it works perfect. As you can see, it's pretty bright, even with that peak option off. Now do remember, I do have this in a dark room, but still, it looks beautiful. From the TV features to next generation console gaming to the streaming of the gaming, this monitor packs a punch. Look at these amazing pictures and videos. QD OLED technology really brings out the color in OLED. Everything is so vibrant, so deep, no other technology comes close. No blooming. As you've seen in the settings, I do have pixel shift off, as I didn't want the image to jump around while I'm recording. But so far, no complaints, friends. This is an awesome gaming monitor. The image quality here is outstanding. And it's just awesome to see OLED. I mean, OLED, QD OLED, it's awesome to see this technology grow. And they're becoming more affordable. If you can get this at an amazing price, closer to $1,000, you've hit the jackpot and you will be happy. There's nothing this monitor can't do. The amazing thing is that the 4K 60Hz signal acceptance is needed for next generation consoles, your next generation streaming. The Alienware AW3423DWF can't do it, while the DWF can. So remember friends, I do have the DW, and I will be versusing it against this awesome monitor. If you're interested in that video, hit that subscribe button because we got a lot of videos planned for this awesome monitor. We're gonna versus this against the LG 27GR95QE, the PG27A QDM, and that awesome OLED G9 49-inch monster that's coming very soon. Samsung displays QD OLED version 1 versus version 2. So hit that like button friends so more people can see it to help to make that awesome buying decision. And again, consider subscribing if you want to see all those videos. The future is here friends. The future is now. Once you go OLED, you can't go back. I just want to bring you this unboxing, my first impressions, and how beautiful and amazing this monitor really is. Are you thinking about getting this version 1 G8 OLED? Just make sure you get it at around $1,000. And I would say it's a very good deal. Don't pay MSRP. We're already into 2023, and like I've said in my leaked videos before, version 2 is coming very soon. Maybe at the end of the year or early next year. And I know you don't want to throw $1,000 when something comes out right around the corner. Information is key, and honestly I don't think version 2 will destroy version 1. They say 30% brighter, but watch, in reality it's gonna be about 15 to 20%. We've covered this monitor on the channel extensively, so I had to put the money where my mouth is and showcase this amazing monitor to help you make that awesome buying decision. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. I'll see you guys next time.